Welcome to this guided, mindful eating practice for beginners. So, you are now invited to try a short practice. This will give you an idea of what it is like when you bring your full awareness to a simple, everyday experience or task. You are now going to do some mindful eating. If possible, you should have a couple of small pieces of food to hand. An ideal food item would be raisins. However, if you do not have any raisins, then a segment of orange, or a small piece of another fruit, will be suitable. If these are not to hand, a soft sweet will do, or any small item of food you can chew and hold in your hand. If you do not already have something to eat, pause this session now, while you fetch something. Alright, it's now time to do some mindful eating, so please join in if you can. If you are ready, place your food item in the palm of your hand, and imagine that you've never seen anything like this before. You can pick it up and take a good look at it, with your full attention. Noticing the texture, the color, the shape, the folds and hollows, the light shining on it. Taking time to really see it and explore it with your eyes. If your mind wanders off to other thoughts, other places, just notice where it has gone and gently bring it back again. Now explore what it feels like. Give it a squeeze. Maybe even bringing it up to your ear. See if it makes a sound. And bringing it to your nose, to discover what it smells like. And also noticing if you have any reaction to the smell. Perhaps in your mouth. And now bringing the food item to your lips. Noticing how your hand and arm know precisely where to go. Maybe running it along your lips, noticing any reactions, perhaps saliva. And, when you are ready, placing it in your mouth, but not chewing yet. Noticing any sensations in your mouth. Maybe exploring it with your tongue. And finally, preparing to chew the raisin. Moving it into the right place. Taking a bite into it, noticing the taste and texture in the mouth. Continuing to chew, bringing your full attention to the taste of it. And when you feel ready to swallow, noticing your intention to swallow, and then actually swallowing the raisin. Seeing if you can follow it, as it moves down, towards your stomach. And noticing any after effects. How do you feel after this mindful eating practice? People have many different responses to the practice you have just done, but almost everyone seems to agree that eating food items like this is not the way we normally eat. It is a different way of experiencing eating, in which you become more aware of what is happening. You notice more about the food item, and more about how your body and mind react to it. By paying attention to direct experience like this, you are eating your food item in what might be called a mindful way.